Hi, my name is Michael, and today I'm here to talk to you about an incredible product called Emperor's Vigor Tonic. If you want to learn more about Emperor's Vigor Tonic and find out how it can help improve your male health and vitality, stay with me until the end of this video. But before we start, I want to give you some important warnings about Emperor's Vigor Tonic, so pay close attention. To help you out, let's go over the main points you need to know about Emperor's Vigor Tonic. First, I gained access to the official website of the manufacturer, and I'll leave the link below this video. It will be the first link in the description. Many people are asking what Emperor's Vigor Tonic is, how it works, and if it's really effective. The answer is yes. Emperor's Vigor Tonic is a revolutionary natural formula designed to support men's health by enhancing vitality and performance. Unlike conventional products, this tonic uses a combination of specially selected plants and minerals to promote intimacy and naturally improve virility. The ingredients in Emperor's Vigor Tonic include an exclusive blend of herbs like dodder seed, wild yam, Rehmannia radix, Conidium monieri, Euchomia ulmoides, and many more. Each of these ingredients was chosen for its complementary properties, working together to deliver powerful and natural results. If you're looking for natural support for your virility and a product that takes care of your overall health, Emperor's Vigor Tonic is the ideal choice. It's perfect for men who want to boost their vitality and have a more satisfying, intimate life. To get the best results, it's important to use Emperor's Vigor Tonic consistently. The manufacturer recommends daily use for at least 90 to 180 days to achieve amazing results. And the best part, if you're not satisfied, Emperor's Vigor Tonic offers a 60-day money-back guarantee. Emperor's Vigor Tonic really works, but remember, only buy from the manufacturer's official website, which is in the first link in the description. On the official website, you can check out testimonials from people who have already used it and had great results. It's important to remember that we're talking about a natural and innovative formula, so results come with continuous use. But if you follow the instructions, I'm sure you'll see significant changes. Take advantage of the 3 or 6 unit packages of Emperor's Vigor Tonic so you can ensure the complete treatment and even save money. Plus, some offers include free shipping, and it's a one-time purchase with no extra fees or subscriptions. It's worth mentioning that Emperor's Vigor Tonic is manufactured with strict quality standards, ensuring the purity and effectiveness of each capsule. So, if you're ready to improve your vitality and enjoy a healthier, intimate life, give Emperor's Vigor Tonic a try. The link is just below this video. Thank you, everyone. I hope you have a great day.